Okay, thank you so much for checking in. I have a confession to make. This video, while not the easiest video to make, because I often think when you've got people like this talking heads talking to you, it's like, oh, here we go, another person promising me the riches falling from the sky, work out 1 hour a day and I don't have to do anything else and money flows in. Well, I'm not that person and I'm not saying that. So if you're still interested, stay with me. My name is Trevor Russell, and if you're a woman in business who has just started out in business, you want to actually know how to make your business work, not only from a marketing and be online perspective, but how to actually learn a process that merges marketing with modern authentic sales so you can convert prospects to paying clients, so you can fulfill, get paid, and do the work that you love. Yes? Or you're a woman in business that's either been in business for a while, you would like to know how you can improve your ability to merge marketing, convert prospects to paying clients, follow up, and actually learn an authentic way to be paid with skill and confidence. And if you've been winging it and you've never learned how to do it, which most don't know how to do, we're going to open the door to teach you how to grow your business and see how other women in business are growing their businesses by quietly learning how to connect, convert prospects into happy paying clients and make their businesses go from here to here using a system that works. And I'm going to open the door to show you exactly how you can do that. I'm also going to be joined with Renee Eves, one of my very good friends and someone that I respect greatly. Renee is an author, she's an advocate for women, and she has gone on a journey, absolute life-threatening disaster, and coming out the other side and what she did. And then I will go through my 7-pillar business sales success system, teaching women how they can make their businesses work so much more successfully, how you can actually get people to call you back, convert with confidence and authenticity in a really nice, beautiful, natural way, plus a whole lot more. So if you want to join us, they are complimentary. Friday morning dates are below, and they are called the How Women Are Succeeding in Business Morning to Mastery gatherings. 2.5 hours of power. And yes, of course, if you want to talk to us afterwards around how we could help you, we can do that. But what this is not a pushy sales event. We will not be selling you into any big $5,000 programs or any of that. We can't wait to see you in there. We've got so much to share with you, and I know how much it's going to lift your motivation, give you clarity to really know how to grow your business in all the key areas, from mindset, lead generation, sales growth, and fulfillment, so that you can do the work that you love. Friday mornings, dates are coming up. Get yourself in there, and we've got some great surprises for you. Let's make 2020 your best year yet, and let's see you grow to your full potential.